So hello guys, in this video I will going to do a task which is to optimize select the optimum cluster number and represent it into the visually. So this is some basic library like Panda, NumPy, sklearn cluster. I have used K-mean, so import K-mean from the sklearn cluster. Sklearn pre-processing for mini-max scale. This is basically used for the good visualization if there's some outlier in our data. So matplotlib for plotting a graph and seaborn also for plotting the graph. So this is a data set of iris. So this is our data which has 150 row and 6 columns. Then first we check the is null value in our data. So there is no is null value, then we can proceed forward. Then we plot a scatter graph by the help of SNS Seaborn library. So here ID is our outlier. So we removed here. Basically we don't need to remove. Uh, First we have to convert these spaces. This is the object converted into. So we checked here. So we checked here unique of spaces. So that is arrays, setosa and whatever. This is our objective type. Then we convert it to a integer. Like for arrays setosa equal to 1, we map this condition. Then this equal to 2 and this equal to 3. Oh sorry, this equal to 0, 1 and 2. Then here we use algo method k-mean for optimum cluster value. So first we make a list between 0, 1 to 20. This is I have taken 1 to 20 because I have limited data. You have a big amount of data, so you can increase this number. Basically it comes around 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So depend on the data. So here is the SSE is the square sum error. Square sum error. This is a basically distance between our centroid point to the our scatter point. So here we make a loop like I equal I in the k, I in the our list. So k k mean km stand for k means. So इसमें हमने क्या किया है, के मीन क्लस्टर को हमने आई पे पास करा है. देन फिट आर फिट आर क्लस्टर डाटा एंड अपेंड, हमने उसको अपेंड कर दिया किसमें, इनर्शिया में, वो जोड़ते रहेगा. देन ये क्या होगा, जो हमारा स्क्वायर सम एरर है वो अपेंड होगा और जोड़ते रहेगा उसका सारा का सारा डिस्टेंस. देन हमने प्लॉट किया हमने क्या, जो हमारी के की वैल्यू है एंड सम सम स्क्वायर एरर एंड उसको दिस इज मार्क बाय द स्टार. देन एक्स एक्स टिकल्स दिया, एक्स लेवल वाई लेवल दिया. ठीक है. तो हियर वी कैन सी द बेंडिंग पॉइंट एट द 3. So bending point at the 3. So here our maximum cluster, oh sorry, maximum not, optimum cluster is 3. So because of the elbow is bending at the point, so which that point is the maximum point, optimum point for the clustering. So then we select our k-mean cluster equal to 3. Then we predict our data based on the cluster number 3. Then we have the value and then we make a cluster column in our data set and pass the value for the prediction data. So this is the data head and we can see here the cluster point 0 1 1 1 1 1 and more than 2 2. This is basically start from 0 and end up to 2. So we count our cluster value. So this is a 50 50 50 means 0 0 cluster equal to 50, 1 cluster 50, and 2 cluster equal to 50, all have equal value. And this is a centroid point from where from where our where our data set. Okay. Then data.np.array data, we convert the our data into array. Then we make a scatter, we make for the visualization, we draw a scatter diagram for the prediction one. Oh, sorry, for the data, for the data. So here we have three here we have three cluster points. So we run this for three, we scatter the three oh, three plot for the scatter diagram. And finally we plot a scatter diagram for the centroid, for the cluster centroid also, by which we can see easily. So by which can see easily. So this is a center point of this cluster point, and this is a center point of this cluster, and there are separate three clusters, we can see easily. So this is a full work and how to optimize the cluster value. So here I have used three points. So thank you.